It's now over 35 years since I saw the Pink Floyd live at Crystal Palace Bowl, so I'm using a drone really in a kind of tribute to their concert, because they had spatial sound at this concert in an open-air bowl arena, and they had 4 speakers at the corners of the auditorium, and began by playing the sound of a helicopter flying around, and Rick Wright used a device called the azimuth coordinator to rotate the sound around, and I remember all the audience looking up to see this helicopter in the sky. So I'm going to conduct these spatial sound tests in a similar kind of fashion by flying the drone left to the right, over and back, and then round in a circle to see how good the spatial audio is. The first recording I'm going to do, I'm not using the wind guard. It is a little bit breezy today, so I may have to fit the wind guard and try another test later on. So here goes. I'm also going to just walk round the Theta V to see how good the sound is following me on the recording. So now I'm going to start up my drone and fly it in different directions. Here he is. He's a little rascal. You bad lad.
He's been inside somewhere, but I don't know where, because no one else is in. Yes, mine. Sorry about that.
That's all right, no problem.
While I kill him.
Now I'm going to try and do an orbit around the Theta V to see if we get the surround sound effect.